Hello friends, without further talking, let's get straight to the topic. I will show you how to pack makeup and perfumes for Ryanair and other flights, carry-on or check-in bags. So you don't need any special packing material for this. You can use any package material such as delivery packages or bubble wrap. If you have perfume boxes, you can also put in them like this. I show you in this video. And friends, if you find this information useful, like this video and subscribe to the channel. I hope you enjoy the video, friends.